It's time to trim the bangs, so let's do this and see how much do we want. So we want it in here. I'm gonna let this grow a little bit, and this, we're just going to cut this into that, just this view right here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get clippies. Just clippies, just here. Just, since it's not too much, I will utilize this Goldwell Shine Serum. It just is a revitalized color. So I use this when I don't want to wet my entire hair. And it's just a thin, just a little bit of trim, just a thin trim, and we're gonna slather in here all the way up and here. Now I'm gonna take that, twist a little bit all the way down. And just cut right. It really need to, because we want, okay, we want that. Well, it grows very fast, so I'm telling you, I just wanted to trim that. It's okay if it's a little short, but it's not. A twist it and all the way down. Okay. Let's go just see how this is going to look. We're going to just a few minutes in here. So let me just do some, a little bit more texture. Get my feather scissors in here. I'm just gonna take this just like that, and just like that. That's it. I just want to texture just a little bit. You see that? Just this. This is gonna grow. Yeah. I'm just gonna put this is gonna grow a little bit because we're gonna do something different next few months. So this is good. This is just to give me this little bang, very soft, very wispy. And I show you. So if I wanted to, yeah, you see how it gives this. Oh, if it's too hot, see it just hold it. it just hold it like that when it's very hot. And I can bring them down. And I kind of like it because it's very, very hot. So we could do this. And that's it. That's it for the cat. So very easy, it doesn't take too long. So just revive, rejuvenate, or fresh up, and just a little bit, just a soft bangs. That's it for today, my friend. This is Chantal Pons. Merci et j'espère que vous avez aimé cette vidéo. Oh! This is Chantal Pons. I hope that you like this video. This is a very easy haircut and 2 seconds, as you see it, 2 seconds. And I'm why I started speaking French. I don't know. Sometimes it just happened, you know. I am French after all, you know. Après tout, je suis française. Au revoir, mes amis. Bisous et surtout, à très bientôt. C'est Chantal.